looking through you, watching from the other side. Through the static haze of all these sleepless nights, something's pulling at the edges of my mind. These walls keep secrets that I left behind, and I know you're listening to every word I'm breaking. Can you hear me now? Through the cathedral sound, will you run? So when I'm calling out, every prayer whisper turn to smoke and ash. Every promise that I made was built to crash. You were right about the way this story ends, how the guilty always pay for what they've done. And I know you're listening to every word I'm breaking. Judgment Day, washing clean what can't be saved. I'm speaking to an empty room, but somehow I still feel you. I'll keep talking to this hollow space till the morning burns away my guilt and shame. Maybe silence is the only honest thing, when there's nothing left but truth between